Thanks for jumping back once again to another video of the series Technical Analysis Daily. I welcome you all back to the channel. Thank you so much for hopping into the video. So we have recorded a last video about the Anchor protocol where I told you about this breakout that happened a few days back. Now if you have not watched that video, the link is in the corner. You can watch that video. So basically what is going on with Anchor. So first of all, the thing that you need to be concerned about is it's Bitcoin first, because everything is depending on the Bitcoin right now. As you can see, the Bitcoin is crashing with lot of volume right in front of you. You might want to keep your eyes on the Bitcoin. So in result, you can see it has broken down the 200 moving average as well, and if you take it to the 4-hour time frame, so it's still going down. You see that. However, there was trying to be some kind of let's say crossover, a golden cross, but that seems that might be failing because a lot of selling volume is coming in. However, we have support at these levels. This exact level, we have some support, some good support at this point. So we need to correlate everything with the Bitcoin now. So let's jump back to the Anchor protocol. Well, now you look at this Anchor protocol, you see that you have the immediate support level at exactly at this place where the price is crashing right now. This is the local support for you guys. This is a local support for the Anchor protocol. So if Anchor protocol falls below this support level, what should we be expecting on the ANC? So let me just take out the fibs and okay. Well, as you see that on the Fibonacci retracement numbers, this place, this is a good support, 1.618. You want to stretch it down to this place that we'll call our major support. That will be our major support level. So if the price it fails below this point, however it has already failed on this 200 moving average. I believe there is 200 moving average somewhere around that place also. That might come in handy to save this fall down of prices. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's way above there. It's way above to this place. So that's still very far away on the 4-hour time frame. We go to the 1-hour time frame. Well, on the 1 hour we have a complete different scenario. You can see this 55 moving average, it converts down to this crossover, and it did a retest, one and second retest before it fall down here. So that's something which is not good for Anchor protocol. It is, even though it is a strong coin, sometimes when you get into some kind of flow, while talking currently, I see this area acting as a resistance for the ANC. This place, this exact place, it's a small wedge. However, we can have a clear picture on this 30 minutes. Yes, this is a valid wedge actually. And let me try to draw this as well. Well, it's not that fine wedge to the downside. However, we can only consider the upper wedge. We can use this wedge as a resistance. If the price breaks above this place, you can see some short-term good rally in the price moment. However, everything is currently being depended on Bitcoin, which is right now in the middle of crash. Let's say it's a short position. So you see this there is another formation of a range as well. You can see on this range, this place was resistance earlier at this point. Let me just take it here. So this place was acting as a resistance at this point. When it got broken with good volume here, and it tested as a support level 1, 2, and the third time it got broken, there was a retest, one retest, and there was another second retest at that same place. And there you can see a wick on the upper side that tells you that now there will be selling at this point. So expect some selling, just like this one. When the price reaches here, you might want to open some kind of short trade if you are a short trader. So well, basically talking about me, I am on the both sides. I short as well as the long trades. So ANC will not get much stable until the Bitcoin it lets him get stable. So it do not take any kind of entries except these support levels. You see those both support levels. You see this major support level as well. And when the ANC, when it gets good, you see something good in that, then you might want to take an entry, because this coin, this is an amazing coin, and which is actually now selling for very cheap prices. So that would be it, I think, for the ANC protocol. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.